33. Between the 33. Oh! That was a really big one. Oh. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a buck and outrageous day. So today, back on the Detroit River. So you guys can see I'm just making it on the shoreline. You know, I gotta thank you guys for using the baits. Crazy fish has been coming out. You guys seen the new coho salmon caught by Mike Clinton Smith, right? That was crazy. If you guys haven't seen that, check this picture out. Isn't that crazy? Come on, man. I can't ask for anything better. 2 bows, a coho salmon out of the Detroit River, a couple muskies, one by this guy right behind me, Adam. You guys gonna see him on the episode also. That was crazy. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. Yeah.
He's Slayer.
Yeah. Yeah.
In the morning, I have only one.
Oh yeah?
Then
There you go. There you go, Coco. It's not a big one.
Okay.
First one of the day, though. See crystal ice. He bite it.
I can win.
Yeah. You want to wait for another one? I have a friend here. I'm gonna give it to. Unless somebody else wants to. I don't really know. You catch your own fish. Where? What? Oh, Boo is here. Hi, Boo.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So here we go. Nice eater. You know who I'm gonna donate to? My uncle.
Yeah.
Okay, Boo.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Same thing as me. Yeah. 9-3. Yeah. That's about that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's like 8.5, 9 pounds. Yeah, it's around that range. 8.5, 9 pounds. Yeah, if it's 30 to 31 inches, it's 10 pounds. Yeah. A 30 incher is automatic 10. $33. Between the 33. Oh! That was a really big one. Oh. Wow, that's a fast bite today. It's not a big one. I was riding a line. There's a broken line down there. Okay, it came off. It came off. There's a broken line. It might be a sheephead. It might be a sheephead the way it's fighting. No, it's a walleye. It's a walleye. Number 2.
This is big.
This is fast. Bro, I swear, I was so angry about that. I was so choked. All right, guys. So I'm under 5 casts. Second walleye of the morning. We had rain going on yesterday. We had a tough day. I have a few clips from that. Caught a bunch of fish though, but you know, I didn't decide to make a full video. But today I'm going to. There you go. There's another size eater. Boo, you want this again? Coco, is this good size for you?
Yes.
Yes, this is good size for you?
I'm leaving. Yeah.
Oh, okay, here you go, Coco.
Thank you very much.
Habibi.
Inta Habibi.
Yeah.
I'll give you Monica.
No, I'm okay. I ate before I came.
Wallah. Did
Yeah,
you
wallah,
eat?
wallah. Shukran, shukran, habibi.
Keep it for afternoon.
No, I'm okay. My mom needs a bunch of stuff.
Ah.
Yeah, yeah, I'm okay. It's Friday.
Tomorrow, don't forget.
Yeah, yeah,
Don't eat.
yeah.
Okay?
Okay. Adam, man, this fish are snappy today.
Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Man, it's like bite after bite too. Everybody's gonna bite fish everywhere.
Since I got
What it
here.
is, the water is kind of murky too,
Oh yeah.
so they have to hit it. They only get one chance at it. Yesterday was so clear. They got a chance to look at the bait.
Okay, walleye.
I think so. It's not really head shaking
Yeah,
that much.
it's not,
This
not,
is
not
first bite.
anymore.
Looks like it's a good fighter. It's a big one, eh?
Yeah, it's sort of.
Oh,
Oh no.
I'm gonna say like 4 or 5. If it's 10, he'd be rocking the show right now.
It's very, very
I'll be jumping up and down like I was at the circus.
Oh,
That's
beautiful.
nice.
Beautiful, beautiful. On
That's
the
nice.
crystal ice.
Crystal ice again, eh?
Yeah.
Told you, crystal ice is fire.
Beautiful fish.
No, what a beautiful walleye, brother. Oh, that's nice.
Beautiful.
Take a look this way, bro. Yeah, there you go. There you go, nice, brother. I'll save
Beautiful.
that for a picture and send it to you.
Thank you. I appreciate
Oh yeah, that's awesome. It's not. It's
So I was like, yeah, okay, fine.
yeah.
Yeah.
What? Oh yeah.
Oh, he's on again.
Man, there's so much fish down there right now.
That's what, number 3?
Yeah. There's so much fish down there right now. This is actually a very, very good day. I thought it was gonna be very windy.
Not yet.
And it's still windy. It's gotta be at like 30 right now.
Pretty sure it got a
3. Oh, it came off too. Thank you, Adam. Oh.
Do you want to switch?
What you want me to
You
do?
want to switch with the bigger one?
There you go. Thank you, Adam. I appreciate it. Oh,
You got one there.
there you guys go. Fish number 3. All nice size eaters. No. Oh yeah, boop. That was so fast. So fast. No, if you guys like some good fishing, this is the time to get down here. Oh, crystal ice is crazy. Here you go, Pooh. So number 3. Number 3 donation. I got 3 more to donate. 3 more. That's a good day. It's a good day so far. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, no, not ever. So many people ask me. I say okay. Yeah, a lot of people. Yeah. Good all saw. Good all saw. Oh, there you go. Number 4.
The West End, you can't take it. Oh,
There you go.
Oh.
That's mine. Yeah. Number 5.
Number 4.
Oh, number 4.
Number 4 from you, Pooh. Yeah, nice.
Nice one.
Look, it did it good.
Yeah, you are really good.
Oh, it did really good. Crystal ice there.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, crystal eye. I cut 2 with crystal eye.
yeah.
You cut 4 with crystal eye.
Alrighty. Alright guys, so there you go. That's probably my biggest one so far of the day. That's got length. It's a female that's already spawned out. Gotta be roughly about 3-ish, 3.5. That's the average size fish I was catching the other day. But, quick bite today. Hippo number 4. Enjoy. Thank you. A new one. Yeah, 2020. That was 2016. Oh, I felt a good bite it, you know. See? Wow, the bite's fast. Number 5. So guys, still on that crystal ice. Man, the bite is on right now. Just trying to get it before this wind is already coming in. So 5. 5 is quick already. Here you go, Boo.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, all nice eaters. Donate it all to my uncle. Boo, I got you. I take care of you.
Yeah?
What's this item for you? Number 5?
Number 5.
All right, Cinco de Mayo.
Well, to get third jerk, we have to
Yeah.
cast.
Man, I'm surprised the water is this clear.
We gotta cast
After the wind like this.
6 to 10 feet further.
Oh, he's rubbing the rocks. You can see him. That was clean.
Oh, here it goes.
I was able to see him rubbing the rocks like the flash under the water. Nice.
Thanks, brother. Much appreciated.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There you go, guys. Another one. Oh, look at that, popped right out. You're almost at your limit, bro.
Yeah, almost there.
Oh yeah, one more. One more.
Ah,
Oh yeah, a slave. Take your time, bro. That's dangerous as hell, man. Oh wow. That was crazy. I think it's a silver. It's a silver. That's a big silver too. That's okay.
is it pregnant?
Oh yeah, that's pregnant.
Okay, you want?
Oh yeah, you want it?
I just take
Alright.
only 2. I'm only taking 2 today.
Alright guys, there you go, silver bass. What do you guys, I like that silver bass stuff here. That's a fatty. Oh, Pete, man.
Yeah, I just.
Look at that.
I'm only taking 2.
Look at that belly on that thing.
Yeah.
Hey, it's just so
I'm
huge.
taking it for the egg, man.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
Yep. Yeah, you don't know Pete. He breeds fish. He gets more eggs. No, I'm just kidding. You like that?
They're gonna flatten.
Oh, there you go. You took the stuff
When you missed it, I was trailing you. I was trailing you.
You went right back around, you fucking came right
Yeah.
back there.
He said,
Fucking, you hit mine, you let it go.
He's surfing. He's a nice sized one. Surfing him in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There you go, brother.
Number
Monster.
6. Oh,
Swallowed.
he inhaled it. I felt it.
Annihilated it.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Not as bad as that silver yesterday.
Oh, that's over. All right, guys, there you go. That was another one on the day. Still on that crystal ice right now, but this one inhaled it. Chugged it way down there. I gotta try to get this gap open. Try to pop this out and not get stabbed. Oh. Come on out. Come on out. Don't want the walleye thumb. I already got that this year. Still healing from it. Come on. No, you have a pair of pliers?
Yeah, I got a pair.
I'm gonna need that for sure, bro. I can feel these teeth. One little whack at me, it's all over. Alright, let's get down there. Damn, Adam, you got some nice pliers. These look like some Amazon ones. Yeah, it's like a split ring. A split ring plier. Yeah, so you can use it for to open your split rings.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what it's for.
The end?
Yeah, that little hook. Yeah, that's for your split rings. All right, there you go, guys. There's another one. Super slate today. Man, they're all roughly same size. Still looking for that giant tenor. You know, we got that cold condition that's still in, but I can't seem to find a holding 10. Somebody find that 10 for us. I just want to see one. All right, man. Let's get this back in there. All right, guys, gonna end my day there. What an awesome day. Caught a lot of fish. Went through some crazy weather, but I'm hungry. Gonna head home, get something to eat, do some editing for you guys. But the water is still clear for you guys to get down here and actually catch a lot of fish. They're actually snapping really hard. It's only gonna get better. Season is about halfway through so far. When you guys get your chance, get out there and get as much fish as you can. Anyways, if you guys like that, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.